I think I got it. Stand by. This is it. This is the current no run condition. Now I'm going to literally pull that plug sideways. I'm going to press it in now. There you go. Look at that. Press. No. Well, now I'm going to pull back the other way. No. Press. Pull back the other way. No. Okay. Ha ha ha. Right here. When I press this, put pressure this way, you saw the trace coming. When I pulled it back out, the trace would go away. So, not crank angle sensor, go for the obvious stuff, wiring. I'm going to go in there and clean the shiite out of those spades, and I'll probably see if I can't crimp down that part. I don't know why it likes that one better. I don't know. But we're getting there. We're getting there. I think that might be the smoking gun. I can repeat it all day long. Watch. I'm going to set you up again. Watch the trace. Let me center it. And the heat must just be, enough to move things around a little. Okay, now it's working, right? Now if I pull back, it's gone. The reason you hear, I think the other one is that one sensor is working. Now I'm going to push on it, and it's back. Oh man, that feels great. Okay, fantastic. All right, so we're going to work on this. We're going to deox, whatever we have to do to see if we can't fix that problem so that's more reliable. That's it for now, guys. I think we got it. Talk to you later. Bye.